Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're going to get really specific. We're unpacking one particular piece of AV control tech, the Aurora RXT-10D-B. That's the 10-inch desktop ReAX IP touch panel. Now, you might just see a screen, but this thing is, well, it's a whole different animal.
It really is. I mean, Aurora isn't even positioning this as just a component. They're calling it an all-in-one solution. Think of it as the central nervous system for a really high-end conference room or university lecture hall.
And the hook, the thing that really caught my eye, is right there in its DNA. This is the world's first ReA JavaScript-based touch panel. That feels like a huge deal.
Yeah.
I mean, why is moving to JavaScript so fundamental?
Oh, it changes everything. It really does. You know, for years you needed proprietary certifications, very specialized coding knowledge to do this kind of automation. But JavaScript, that's the language of the web. So now if you can build a website, you have the skills to program a conference room. It just opens the door to so many more developers.
Okay, so to run an engine like that, you need some serious power under the hood. And the specs here are pretty impressive. We're talking a 6-core Cortex processor at 1.8 gigahertz, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 of flash, and it's all running on Android 10. Why does a touch panel need a 6-core processor?
Well, it's because it's not just a touch panel, right? It's a control server. That ReAX engine is constantly juggling tasks. It's, switching video, adjusting lights, managing a video conference call all at the same time. You need that muscle to do it all without any lag.
And here's the kicker for anyone designing these systems. The Core Studio tool, the software you need to actually build the interfaces and write the code, it's free.
Exactly. That is a massive deal. No ongoing licensing fees. It dramatically lowers the barrier to entry. And you get this SD card slot for expansion up to 32 gigs. So for things like logging room usage or storing large assets, you're covered.
All right, so you got the brain, but how does it actually connect with the room? Let's talk integration. On the media side, it handles basically every modern 4K standard. Your H.254, H.265, all the MPEG formats, it's ready for any source.
And the physical hardware shows it's built for conferencing. The screen itself is a sharp 1280 by 800 with a 170-degree viewing angle. That's key for a big table where people are looking at it from the side.
Oh, absolutely.
Plus, you get the little things like the built-in room status lights on the side. And it has a 2-megapixel front camera, speakers, and a digital mic. It's ready for a call right out of the box.
And the ports really tell the story. You get a ton of USB, including 3.0. There's an HDMI out, Wi-Fi, NFC. But the one I think installers will love is PoE, Power over Ethernet.
Oh, that's a huge factor in cost. It means one single network cable for all your data and power. That simplifies wiring in a professional install so much.
Okay, let's pivot from the tech for a second to the commercial side of things. This is stuff that procurement teams live and breathe. The unit is TAA compliant, and it's made in the USA.
And that TAA compliance is non-negotiable for any kind of government contract, federal, state, you name it. A lot of large corporations require it too. For them, knowing that this box is checked is just as important as knowing it has a 6-core processor.
And speaking of procurement, if you're looking to buy one of these today, the list price is $2,398. And it looks like there's a 10% off discount code floating around as well.
So when you put it all together, you have this incredibly powerful integrated system. But I think the real provocative thought to leave you with is about that ReAX JavaScript core. If the most common web language can now control our most complex physical hardware, what does that mean for the future? You have to wonder, will those specialized proprietary AV programming languages we've used for decades even exist in 5 years? It feels like a fundamental shift in who gets to build the smart spaces of the future.